Hey, what's up, Bitcoin holder? Today we have very special and very important update for all my viewers, my subscriber, because here, my friend, in the chart, we will need something very special and something very special. We will understand now. So I'm going to explain this. I'm going to analyze this, my friend, this chart because 100% this was done. They will hit now a $50,000, my friend. Yes, I am 100% sure they will hit now 50 to 55 to 60 also possible. This was our latest target now, so this was a possibility. How many chance, my brothers, today will get 50 USD dollar and 50 to 55 USD dollar, 55,000 dollar, my friend. So let's see, we will do something very special, price prediction for all my viewers, my subscriber. But for before I predicate this coin, I have one request for all my viewers, my subscribers. This was not a financial video. I just advise you and kindly research before you before you take any decision. So let's get started a brand video, my friend. First of all, as you can see here, so this time the BTC price 2.95% increase, and here, as you can see here, something very special, my friend, from last, just and only from last 24 hours, the totally completely very suddenly starting moving upward from here now. And I never expect this, my friend, to they will pumps up from 42 USD $1,000 to $44,000. So definitely this was a huge and very short pump, and also possibilities, my friends, to in upcoming days they will more and more increase and pumps up. So joyfully invest now, and I'm 100% sure they will give you more profit just and only in upcoming 20 to 30 days. So kindly, my advice for all my viewers, my subscribers, to invest, and I hope they will give you a profit. All right, let's check out last 3 days chart. And last 3 days, my friends, they will startly moving very slowly and normal, but definitely from last 24 hours they will going to completely off and take a very huge target. So therefore, this is what there is a lot of possibilities, my friend. So they will hit now $50,000, and my friend, if they will hit this now, so they will give you 5 to 10% profit. So my friends, please try to understand, this was very huge profit, and I'm sure, my friends, so they will make you millionaire. So don't miss this chance, and kindly, if you want, my friends, to get more profits, now subscribe this channel. All right, click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. All right, come here. You can see, my friends, this the change occurred last 1 hour, last 7 days. So all change occurred positive. That's mean they will give you a profit. If you just invest for 15 days, so I'm sure they will give you a profit. So what you are waiting, my friends? Hope you will be invest now, and you will be get a very good profit. Bitcoin is a good chance, my friend. This time, so you will get a profit. So don't miss this chance. Thanks for watching. Kindly like video and subscribe channel.